on today's video, we're gonna do another bun hack. I am forever trying to find the best bun hacks for you guys and find all kinds of ways to make buns easy and simple, especially when you don't have a lot of hair. So for this one today, I think this is a really easy one and perfect for those of you who struggle still with some of the messy bun techniques that require kind of twisting and flipping and all of those things. So we're just gonna get our hair up into a high ponytail in our hand. Now I'm going to take my hair tie and I am just going to do sort of like our little classic kind of just loop-de-loop guy here, just like that. I'm going to grab a couple of bobby pins. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this to the side, make him a little floppier, and I'm going to take these two ends, I'm going to pull them to the front. I'm going to get my bobby pin. So I'm going to take these two ends, I'm going to pull them to the front one at a time. When you get good at it, you can do it together, but it will be a little easier when you're starting to do them one at a time. So that's what we're going to do. So then we're going to take this one and we're going to pull it around, stick a pin in it. And if you struggle with bobby pins and having them fall out of your hair all the time, I will link my video where I show you how to use them properly, so that may solve that problem for you. All right, and now because it's kind of like hollow in the back, what we're gonna do is take our little tail and what we did back there is we tucked it in and then we kind of just gave it a little squish so that it was a little bit fluffier. But there we go. That's it. We keep it really simple. We're not going to add a bunch of steps. And it comes out with a really nice, really easy to do messy bun. You can also get in there and start to fluff and pull things once you get a little more confident with manipulating your hair. You can also add a couple bobby pins at the back to hide your hair tie a little bit more. Those are all extra steps that you can take as you get more confident manipulating your hair. But even if you just do the very basic first steps, you're still going to get a really cute bun. It's perfect for the gym, running errands, cleaning around your house, whatever you like to do with your hair up and out of the way. I hope that helps, and it gives you another way that you can try putting your hair up in a messy bun if you still struggle. Doing the little loop and tuck at the back will be easier and even more effective the longer your hair is. It's a great one if you have longer hair and you struggle with what to do with the tail. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I'm forever trying to find the easiest way for you to do a messy bun. Like and subscribe if you're not already a follower here, so that I can grow my channel and keep making content for you. And let me know in the comment section if you like this bun or which one is your favorite. See you guys later. Bye.